Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back to the eastern wing of the Stinkbug Works. Well, I'm getting real close to gluing the top lid on the hatch. Tell you what I did. I've got my speed control basic painted. I put a piece of tape on the bottom here so I could peel it off and then glue on some of that dual lock Velcro stuff, the stuff that's plastic, and instead of hook and loop, it's just balls that kind of go together. Yeah, it's tenacious stuff. Anyway, so this puppy is going to go in here like that. I still need to shoot a little bit more yellow on here, and today I will mount this. I've taken some evergreen styrene plastic tube and cut a slot in it and then glued a piece right here and a piece right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the servo leads in there, and once they're in there, they're in there. It's going to take a lot to get them lined up and out again. So this is a ticket. So my plan for today, paint this. As soon as this dries, I'll glue on the Velcro. I'll Velcro this. I'll put this into place. These will then be painted. I'll plug them into here. This has adjustable forward and reverse, so it doesn't matter what way I do it. So I'll do it in a way where everything's kind of parallel and looks nice. And then I'll plug this little bit of lead into here. And what I've done is I've put extensions here, and they'll join together under here. And I think I am going to do the turbo boost on this thing, and I'll just run the lights with a battery up in the canopy. That's the easiest way. One of my viewers said, during the daytime, nobody's going to see him anyways, and he is right. And at night, well, then you're going to want them on all the time anyway. So that's the way I'll do it. I'll just put a battery up there and be done with it. There you go, boys and girls. My cooling system is done. I've finished the last little bit. So if you remember, this is the motor Gazinta, and then it goes through here, and then it's going to turn 90 degrees right here, and that's going to go right up against there with a piece of tubing over it. So put my special masking tube. That's a masking tube. It's not a cooling tube, it's a masking tube. There you go, boys and girls. It's going to be short and sweet today. One thing I've noticed here, the plastic from which these leads are made doesn't like this paint. It takes forever to dry. So there's some sort of chemical reaction going on. But ask me if I care. No, everything's going to be protected with paint. It's all going to be good. So I'm taking the Caterpillar look at it. Hey, everything's going to be painted. It'll all be good. So this is Saturday. Who knows? This thing will have a top deck on it sometime next week. I can't tell you when. But it will be sometime next week. It could be this weekend. I have a couple of proposals to get out, but those really only take me an hour or two, so that's not a big deal. Yeah, I'm looking forward to the final assembly. And then once it's all together, you know, it'll all be painted yellow. And then the scratching begins, because the first time I put a wrench on here or a wrench on here, it's going to start chipping the paint off. But it's a cat. That's what happens. The paint gets chipped off. They paint those blades on the cats, the whole blade. They paint it all yellow. And the first day out in the field, the yellow is gone. So I'm going to have all this yellow painted hardware. And again, the yellow paint's going to chip off. And as I turn wrenches on it, it's going to chip off. But that's all part of the mystique. Okay, boys and girls, until next time, jet out.